Now over the right SI joint, any pain there?
Yeah.
Okay. Directly over the sacrum?
Yes.
Okay. And over that left SI joint?
Not as bad for some reason.
Not as bad, okay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna come down here and we're gonna check out the leg length. As you can tell, right short. What we're gonna do first, so I wanna do the massage device. I just wanna go through it and relax a lot of the muscles. And then from there we'll start with the adjustment.
Okay.
So we're gonna be a little bit lower, T3 here on the left. Good. A little bit higher here, T1 on the right. Perfect. Yeah, you felt that left side really opened up with that one. Okay, what I'm gonna have you do, I want you to take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. I like to come back down here. We're gonna take a look at the leg length. So as you can tell, still right short. So now we're gonna come through. So what I'm gonna do, I wanna stabilize on the sacrum. I want you to raise this right leg up as high as you can. Any pain, tenderness, tightness with that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Relax that side. Raise the left side for me. How does the left side compare to the right?
It's a little bit better.
A little bit better. And the table's gonna come up from below. Good. Uncross. And bend this knee for me. And one more. There we go. Now raise that right leg up again. How's that?
A little better, yeah.
You notice that difference? Good. So now we're going to come back down here to that leg length again. Better, but still short. I'm going to bend this top leg. And I'm just going to roll you a little bit right there.
Okay.
Good. Flip to the other side. You're going to bend that leg. Perfect. There it was. Just relax. You have your leg.
Aw.
There we go. Now put your hands up and over mine for me.
Like this?
Yep, just like that.
Okay.
Now I'm going to lean you back onto me. Trust fall on me. Squeeze your elbows together. Tighter. There we go. You feel how that release up there? Good. So I'm going to have you give yourself a big hug. And exhale out. Good. After we do this, because I know this is the first time you've ever had this done,
Okay.
let me know the difference from after this adjustment compared to what you've had in the past. Yep, just relax here.
Aw. That felt so good.
How would you describe that Y strap to anybody who's never had that done?
Feels great. I literally do feel like I just grew 2 inches. Like, that was great.